back to Jamaica Homes. In this video, we are touring around Drax Manor, which is a gated community in Ocheria, St. Anne's. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. But before we do so, here's a gentle reminder to like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another video. Enjoy this tour. So this gated community comes with 24-hour security and offers amenities such as a swimming pool, a gym, a tennis court and a kids play area. Drax Manor features 2 to 3 bedrooms which are 335 square feet. The property boasts open concept living room, kitchen with hardwood cabinets and countertops. Each bedrooms are spacious and offers ensuite bathrooms. Drax Manor is 8 to 10 minutes drive from Ocheria's town centre and 5 minutes from the major tourist attractions such as Dunn's River Falls and Dolphin Cove. This is a perfect vacation home or investment property such as an Airbnb.
If I was here. But they say these masks when you practice stuff don't ban concrete and damage it.
Yes.
Because we did that at the police station and we never had that, and when you drop the weights this here downstairs, well then put that in.